Hello everyone, I am Aditya Sharma and you are watching German class. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you about B1 Goethe examination, speaking skills. What is the examination pattern? Very good idea, very good understanding. How can you appear in this examination? Many students have problem in the speaking skills. What is the criteria? How can they pass this examination with very good marks? Apart from speaking skills, you need some other skills. You should understand the concept and the format of the paper. It is very, very essential that you understand the format of the paper. As you can see here, Goethe Zertifikat B1. Exam is called Goethe Zertifikat B1 Prüfung. There are three tiles. Es gibt drei Teile. There are three tiles and total marks 100. Gesamtpunkte 100. So the paper is of 100 marks and you have to score 60% marks in order to pass the examination. I know that most of you are already aware that the minimum marks is 60% in all the skills, whether it's reading, writing, speaking or listening. You must score at least minimum threshold 60% marks. If you score, you can easily qualify. In case you cannot score 60% marks, you have to repeat the exam. You have to again submit the examination fees and everything will be repeated. So you have to do again practice. So it is advised that you must practice very well, follow a particular book for exam preparation. I have given the link in the description, Übungsprüfungen. It's a Huber publication, Huber Verlag book. There are 15 model test papers. I always advise follow one book and practice again, repeatedly, many times. One test paper, do again and again. Same for the audio and the hearing part, listen again and again. These kind of audios you can also find on various YouTube channels. If you don't have access to the internet, you can just buy this book, you will get the CDs and you can save this CD in the pen drive and you can access in your computer or laptop. Now come to the point. Expression part, Teil 1. Part 1. Gemeinsam planen means you will plan something with your partner. Remember, for all these first two and the third part, you will get total 10 to 15 minutes time beforehand and you will get a rough page. So just carry your pen. You will get 10 to 15 minutes time. Once you will get 10 to 15 minutes time and then you will be called in the examination room where examiner is also sitting along with another candidate. So you both the candidates prepare separate, mark the pointers, write the pointers in the rough sheet. Don't write any full-fledged sentence and don't write too much. If you write too much, then you may not speak in front of examiner. You will read the paper and which is not allowed. Never read out the paper. Okay, just you can mark the pointer and just have a look at the main points and then speak further. If you read out the entire sheet, it will be marked negative and you may lose the marks and you may fail the exam. It's so simple. Many times students say, I appeared very well, I spoke very well, but you did not say that you have read out the entire paper. That's why you failed the exam. Next thing. So gemeinsam planen, das ist Teil 1, gemeinsam planen. Sie planen etwas mit dem Partner. You have one partner, you will speak with that partner. Okay, there is a proper topic. Suppose Geburtstag party. You have a mutual friend and the friend has a party and you are planning to give a surprise party or maybe you are deciding about the gift, which gift you should give him. So you will discuss, both of you will discuss. And remember, when you discuss, it means that you will put some questions and he will put some questions to you. Don't always wait for his questions or her question. You should also frame your 3 to 4 questions so that you can also ask the questions. Second thing, always try to take initiative. It means always try to open the conversation. Don't wait that he or she will start the conversation. So if you want to get good marks, if you want to take an edge over the other candidate, start the conversation. This is your initiative. So you may get the benefit. Next point, always prepare 3 to 4 questions in this gemeinsam planen. Means like you are planning a birthday party gift for your friend. So which gift should you give? When will you go to buy the gift? One has to cite. Wann gehen wir einkaufen? Was sollen wir schenken? Eine Uhr, ein Handy. Was denken Sie? Okay, these are the questions that you can frame during the prep time. That I said you will get 10 to 15 minutes preparation time. So write questions. The mistake is that students don't make questions. They just sit, okay, I'll do that. It's so easy. Don't do that. Nothing is easy in the examination. Okay, don't be overconfident. Always try hard. Always do revision. Okay, and always make pointers. As I said, pointers is very, very crucial. Okay, don't write full-fledged sentences. Don't fill up your entire sheet during the prep time. Okay, otherwise, I'm telling you that you may not speak in front of examiner. You have to look into the sheet and you will lose marks. Don't do this. Next thing, Teil 2, ein Thema präsentieren. Sie präsentieren ein Thema. Es gibt Auswahl. You will get the choice. There are 2 themes and you can pick up any one theme and you will present before the examiner. It's your choice. You can pick up anything. But in this Teil 1, there is no choice. There's only one topic and you have to speak about that with your partner. So you have to prepare accordingly. But in Thema, you will get always choice. There are 2 themes and you have to pick up any one. And you will write about that. Again, I said write means pointers, important points. Like, you know, how to present the theme. I've already made a video. So in the playlist, you can go and watch that B1 exam preparation. There is a very good video. You can get very good information about B1 Goethe examination. How to prepare well for the expression part. So Thema präsentieren, you will speak about any one theme and remember that you will not get more than 3 to 4 minutes of time, maximum 3 minutes time. You have to speak over there. Speak slow with confidence, structures, very well structures, verb noun combinations, very good adjectives, adjectives with fixed prepositions, verb with fixed prepositions, proverbs, idioms, use them if you want to score 90 plus marks. It is possible. Students get 90% or above marks in B1 exam. The thing is that they are very well versed, they are very good in communication and their speaking skills is very good. They are very sought out. They know that what they have to speak, how much they have to speak. All right. So you should be very much clear about the speaking part. You can also score 90% or above marks. At the end, Teil 3. Many of you are not aware that there is also Teil 3, Teil 3. In this, auf die Fragen reagieren. Auf die Fragen reagieren, you have to react upon the question asked by the candidate. What does it mean? You are presenting a theme like the role of smartphone in our life. After your presentation, another candidate, first of all, give the feedback. Rückmeldung. He will give the feedback about your presentation. How was it? Like you can say, ich finde Ihre Präsentation sehr gut. Das hat mir sehr gut gefallen. Aber ich möchte Ihnen eine Frage stellen. I like your presentation, but I would like to ask a question. Then he will ask a question to you. You have to answer. And examiner will also ask you one question based on your theme. Same thing goes for you. When your partner will speak, then you will give the feedback and then you will ask him one question at the end of the presentation. And one question will be asked by the examiner proofer. So this is called Teil 3 and it has also marks. So be careful at the end of the presentation. It's not done. You have to listen the presentation of the another candidate of your partner and you have to give the feedback and ask him one question at the end. So that was all B1 expression part. In case any question, you can write in the chat. I will reply. Any kind of video, you can find the playlist or any other suggestion, feedback. I'm open for that. Please write in the comments. Or if you have any doubts, you can mail us below. This is our email ID. You can write to us. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time with the new video. Bye-bye. Take care.